Welcome back to Digital Illustration. Here I come up every week for something new to paint with you in Photoshop. And as you are here, I know you are looking for some really in-depth video tutorials for how to paint digital in Photoshop. And you are an enthusiast, so don't waste the time. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon right now, and let's get started. So today I'm just painting this quick sketch with a hard round brush here, and I'm just quickly painting a bitten thing with the Dora Cake, or you can see it's a cookies kind of thing, and just painting this dessert like here with all things. You can see my sketch is right now very messy, but don't worry, we will be cleaning this with the eraser tool. I'm using the hard round brush for the eraser also, and the 100% opacity, so that this is a clear cut everything. So again, to match up those erased areas, I'm just using a brush again, and once done with this, selecting all the outer edges, everything that are outside on these 3 whites, I'm selecting all those with the magic wand tool. Oops, I choose another different color with a dark brown color like this. I'm just painting it here and selecting these 3 areas separately. And for selecting this, I'm using magic wand again with the shift selected and selecting all, painting it in a different layer. Now it's time to add the details. For that, I'm quickly masking the areas by holding Control on the layer thumbnail and masking it down with the layer mask icon in the layer panel on that particular layer. Here also again. So it's now done, and now whatever I will paint inside will not go outer the outer edges. That's the plus point for using the layer mask technique. I'm quickly using a lighter brown color like this to paint on the outer edges for making the look of light. Now mixing up with some little darker color with a smaller brush and the same brush but smaller in size. I'm just making the quick detail, the hard details. You can use a darker color and then do the paintings. Also, for this time I'm not happy with the shape of our subject, so I'm just erasing it from the mask. Like painting it with black in the mask will hide that area. Simple and not destructive. If you're enjoying this tutorial and are with me, I will be happy to have you in my YouTube family, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button here. And let's continue the process. For now, the detail in the face or the top edges. So for that, I'm using again the hard round brush and with the lower opacity, thinner in size, quickly doing some details like this. And with the darker color again, I'm just overlapping that detail randomly so that it goes much more organic. That texture will look much nicer, not any vector style. So here, changing this color to a darker thing. Changing the brush, you can see on the brush panel what brush, these are the basic brushes, so you will also be having in that. Let's zoom in and have a clean look. I'm painting on that particular different layer, and everything is painted inside those 3 things. You can change the color, play with some different color, darker tone, darker style, and for the edges of that, I'm quickly painting with the lower opacity again and the hard round brush. You can see how thinner lines are being made so that each of the thing is looking sharp. So now switch to the mixer brush and just mix it up a little. I'm using the 7% wetness so that it's lightly smudging and looks nice. Because I don't want to lose this nice texture, so I'm just mixing it up nicely and it's done. So now taking again the brush tool, different color, and the same brush, the scatter one, and it's done. I hope you guys found this interesting and helpful. Just painting a little shadow here on the base, and we are done with our painting Dora Cake. Find my few more tutorials. Don't forget to check these tutorials here and hit the subscribe button to do not miss my next video.